Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device meets prerequisites. Check iOS version and that jailbreak is active. Once done, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer so you can restore if something goes wrong. Next, open Zebra and grant necessary permissions. This lets the app access package sources and installs. Make sure repositories are added before searching. These steps prevent common failures and save time, so you can move into package discovery with a reliable baseline. You now search repos and use filters to find the tweak or app you want. When you tap a package, read dependencies and conflict warnings because they explain why installs may fail. Use Zebra's queue. Add multiple packages, then start the transaction to install them together. This reduces partial failures. If a package needs a specific dependency, choose the compatible version. Also, learn to downgrade safely when a new release breaks functionality. Zebra handles transactions atomically. You finish by respringing or rebooting when Zebra prompts. That applies kernel or UI level changes. If an install fails, don't panic. Inspect conflict messages, ensure you have enough free storage, and verify the repository is reachable. Once done, check Zebra's transaction logs to see which step failed. If the device misbehaves, boot into safe mode to disable tweaks, then re-enable one by one to isolate the culprit. A single targeted revert or downgrade usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.